Hello, y'all. This is Mrs. Robinson. One of my most commonly asked questions is where are we meeting for class? And we are meeting for class in Schoology conferences. And the next question that usually follows is how do I get there? So I hope this video helps. When you are first logged into Schoology, your homepage should look like this, and you are going to click the course that you are scheduled to meet for. So I'm going to use my homeroom for example, so we will pretend it's 7:30. Once you click on the course that you are scheduled for, you will look at this left-hand menu. Scroll down until you see conferences. You will click the conferences tab. If you make it to the conferences tab early, a significant time before class starts, 10 minutes maybe, you will see this message. There are currently no conferences. You will hang out here and refresh your page. This is the refresh button. It looks like a circle with an arrow. So refresh your page at the exact time that class is scheduled to start, and you should see a conference here. So I create the conference about 5 minutes before class starts each day. And I will show you what you'll see if I have actually created a conference. Actually, I'll create this for tomorrow. If you get here at the time that class starts, then you will see a link like this. Now, because I'm in teacher mode, I can click to start the conference, but all you will do is simply click on the title and you should be able to enter the conference. Once again, this is where we are at the beginning of every scheduled class meeting for attendance and instruction for the day. Bye. I hope this helps. I'll see you in class.